What's good, West Texas? Happy President's Day. This weekend had a bit of a cold snap in West Central Texas and had some freezes, up to 37 freezes now for the winter this year in San Angelo, and a little over 20 in the city of Abilene. It's been a warm winter. That's about half as many freezes in Abilene as is average for meteorological winter. That's December, January, and February. A little bit different than astronomical winter because it makes the math a little bit easier. Fairly close to normal in terms of freezes for the city of San Angelo. No freezes for your President's Day. Low of 36, high of 78. It was very warm, only 12 degrees shy of that record we set back 38 years ago in 1986. Not tracking any radar activity right now, just the very warm temperatures sitting in the 50s and 60s right now. So you got any plans to close out your President's Day? Probably not gonna need to grab the jacket, although heading out the door tomorrow morning, you might wanna take that jacket. Daily Planner shows we're waking up in the mid 40s. So admittedly, it will be a little bit on the chilly side, but we'll have those winds out of the south really continuing to bring us those very warm temperatures. Today, the only place that hit temperatures in the 80s was Menard. I think those 80s going to be a little bit more widespread for your Tuesday, though. Going to be in the 70s by lunchtime, warming up very quickly, and could see temperatures in the low to mid 80s as folks are heading home from school and to work right during the peak heating of the day. So it's not hot by any means, but certainly warm by February standards. The question, though, probably in a lot of folks' mind, are we going to break records? And I think we're comfortably going to be far away from that record for Tuesday in San Angelo. That record we set back 38 years ago in 1986 when we had a high of 91. Be a little close for folks in the key city of Abilene. 86 is that record. I'm forecasting a high of 83. So we're really going to be keeping an eye on the mercury in the key city of Abilene. Wednesday, bit of a different story. We will be far from those records both in San Angelo and Abilene. So midweek, really looking to stay warm for us here in West Central Texas. Not a very winter-like end to the month of February. Big weather story for us, going to be those very gusty winds. Here's what we're forecasting those winds to look like Wednesday afternoon out of the southwest, sustained at 20 miles an hour. So those very brisk winds, but we will have a cold front come through. Not really expecting any rain with it, and honestly, not that much of a cool down either. But always remember, a cold front is a cold front, no matter how small the temperature change is. Big story of this cold front going to be those winds out of the northwest, going to be pretty brisk at about 20 miles an hour. So honestly, though, we're still going to be above normal with those temperatures. So Bert, not really looking at a whole lot of relief, but decent temperature change. Highs in the 80s for your Wednesday, highs in the 70s for your Thursday. And then rest of the month of February, looking to stay warm and dry. For your latest weather updates, you can find them online and social media. Bert?